Breakfast of champs.
Missing my eggs.
You just waiting?
I'm waiting. Riders meeting went on. Chapel's probably going on. Waiting on my eggs.
Make it make sense.
I just like to sing, okay? I may not be that good at it. You guys can kick rocks. What about this?
Oh no. Oh no.
Need more tear-offs.
I can hear your music.
What?
Get out of here.
Oh, whoa, whoa. And with the refrigerator stocked full of them, this is your song. He said, that's the most redneck song.
It's about like cutting the grass or
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm supposed to mow the grass today.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to fix a fence.
Feeling.
We're at Southwick. We got to do press day yesterday. I had a lot of fun. It was probably the first time I've been to Southwick and not had to adapt to the sand. It was pretty nice. So yeah, I feel good. We're getting the bike a lot better, and I'm ready to do more of what I did at High Point because I'm yeah, I want to race. I want to be competitive, and we're on our way. That's our benchmark. So felt good yesterday. I'm excited for today. Sand everywhere.
How'd that first session go?
It was alright. I was overriding it a little bit, and yeah, I put in a decent lap right away, and then trying to build off of it was slamming into stuff harder, and that doesn't work in the sand. Went off the track a couple times. Yeah, just need to calm down a little bit. That's yeah, I'll be alright. It went okay. I got a decent lap in early in the first one, which was good. Then started overriding the track a little bit, which wasn't good. Second practice was a lot rougher. Yeah, we just made some small changes, but not enough to keep up with the track changes. So going into the motos, we have a change to make, and yeah, I think we're in a good spot. The track is shaping up better, because really the first practice we didn't really have the berms out there. It was like every other lap the lines were pushing, then a new one would form. But I think we're finally digging down to where we're getting the big berms in there. So yeah, it's good. Some of my starts were good, and just gonna put myself in a good position, and we're in the race. So yeah. It's just like the rear end's coming towards the inside every single bump. It's like my hands are just cramped up. Not very good. I was really struggling with the bike and just struggling in the sand. We were pretty far off, and we just made the wrong move going into the moto, so we're gonna fix that, and I'm ready to go fight, because it's that was frustrating.